subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under G series called Moto G23. And before the official launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specification has surfaced online by Deals and Tech. According to leaks and other rumors, the Moto G23 will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that will house an 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone looks to have a triple camera setup in a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 50-megapixel main camera along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the phone is reported to come powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset will likely run on Android 13 out of the box, and it is set to pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to come in blue, grey and white color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G23 smartphone has leaked so far, and it is reported to price around €199 in the European market. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G23 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.